Okay, so I was having trouble following this. This is single crochet in the same space. So I'm gonna try again. And then single crochet in the next space. Careful not to miss that half treble. And then it says half double crochet in this space. And now it says do this around all these spaces. Do double crochet 3 times, chain 3, double crochet, and then half treble in the next space. Now see, I'm having trouble because that does not equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, plus, so I'm joining in the wrong space, I think. So let's follow this, and then half double crochet in the next space, and single crochet in the next 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now half double crochet, and then we'll do a different corner. We'll do 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in the same space, and then it says half double crochet and single crochet in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now half double crochet in the next. Is that what it says? Yes. And then do your 2, 2, 2 again. 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, all in the same space. Now we'll do half double crochet in that next space. Make sure that's what it says. Yes. And then single in 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now half double crochet in that next space and do your 2, 2, and 2 again. 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and then half double crochet. And we will single crochet in those last 2 spaces, 1 and 2, and slip stitch join in the top of that beginning space. Now we will single crochet in that same space and single crochet in the next 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will do a single crochet, chain 3. Is it 1, 2, 3, single crochet in that corner space, and then single crochet in the next 11 spaces across. Careful not to miss that first space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now we'll do single crochet, chain 3 in our corner, and single crochet, and then chain single crochet in 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And then we'll do our corner again, doing single crochet, chain 3, single crochet in the same space, and then 11 again. 9. I'm gonna have to count those again because I only counted 10. But before, what was happening is I was joining in the wrong space, and so I was missing a stitch on the first side. Here, I don't know what's going on. Now I've only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 11. Okay. And then our corner chain 3. And then it says for that last side, 2 single crochet in the last 5 spaces. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My pattern and my yarn are catching each other. And then we'll slip stitch join in the top of that first single crochet. And I like to give, and you can fasten off here, I like to give my square a little tug just to kind of stretch those stitches into place. I do not block any of these. I find that unnecessary. And there you have your first square for your Boho Granny American flag blanket. Next we're going to do a triangle.